Alright guys, so we flagged off from Throttle Shuttle and abhi right now we are going to go on the Yamuna Expressway, which you can see over there. So this is India's longest expressway and it is very good quality tarmac.
काफी कुछ सुना है यमुना एक्सप्रेस
Basically this expressway extends to Lucknow.
ओके
Yeah, 800 kilometers almost. So since Dino Bhai has never been here, Dino Bhai, this is bliss.
Yeah,
If you have a great by great machine or any machine, it is bliss. It is like that if your tires are not in good condition in your car, they will blow. Because you don't have to brake for 200-300 kilometers. You just keep going. But anyway, so we are going to ride now together. Bolo bhai,
Sunny bhai, एकदम मजा आ गया.
have you been on this expressway?
So once on XUV 500, but never on motorcycles and all, and never drove by myself. I was with my brother, so he was driving.
So you know how it is.
It is amazing.
मजा आने वाला है.
मजा आने वाला है. मतलब वो जो ट्रैफिक था ना, ट्रैफिक की सिचुएशन पे
I hope गर्मी नहीं लगी कार में.
नहीं कार में क्या इनकी मजा आ रहा है.
230 horsepower is going to be unleashed on Agra Expressway. No, sorry, Yamuna Expressway. But no. We have to take it slow. Ride responsibly, जी. All right, guys. Now I'm going to go on the rocket. Yeah, ये भी rocket है अपना Ntorq. The rocket over here, and it's going to be nice.
This is the Highway Masala restaurant, which is not far from Delhi. Comes 150 kilometers before Agra, and we had stopped here. I think it took us 2 hours here. We were chit-chatting and we met the owner here and a lot of other things. And now it's time to hit the road again. So Manan here is on the S2. Okay, toll time, and it's a lot of traffic on the toll. You know, look at that. Beautiful. What a sight. The rocket and the H2 together. I never thought कि एक दिन ये ऐसा possible होगा.
All right. So we are here on the Yamuna Expressway. That is Manan, and it's very hot. It's very hot. I'm on the rocket, which is behind me, as you can see. और ये हैं थोड़ी स्लो सी बाइक चला रहे हैं S2. Oh God, अभी मतलब विंटर पूरी तरह ख़त्म नहीं हुआ, समर इतना ज़्यादा गर्म है. But look at this road. Look at this road and look at this whole scene landscape. So today we are stopping at DoubleTree Hilton in Agra, which is supposed to be a very good hotel. Let's see. Alright, so things have gotten even hotter because right now we have Japanese car, sports car here. And what better? I mean, it would have been better if this was the Godzilla, the GTR, but Even the 370Z is not bad. But of course, there's no car to match this if we talk about outright speed. But right now, we're not about speed, right? We're about riding kilometers safely. But look at this car. And Bullu bhai is here in the Thar.
क्या मजा आ रहा है
बहुत
सनी भाई।
मजा।
मतलब शाम जितना हो रहा है ना, बहुत ज्यादा मजा आ रहा है।
चलो।
अमेजिंग।
एक्चुअली अभी बाइक पे होना चाहिए।
हाँ एक्चुअली मैं मिस
बाइक पे बहुत ज्यादा सही लग रहा है।
मैं मिस कर रहा हूँ एक्चुअली।
एंड लुक एट द सनसेट।
यस
अभी गोल्डन आवर है।
गोल्डन मोमेंट।
आई थिंक लेट्स शूट सम
अच्छे से
नाइस
photos
शॉट्स। So good morning, day 2 of Road Trip United, and right now I'm at Hilton here in Agra. What a beautiful place, and बहुत ज़रूरी होता है कि एक अच्छी जगह ठहरना. If you look at our cars and bikes which are parked here, I mean it is pretty amazing. Here a few bikers, they have already come to basically meet us, and they'll be leading us to the venue. And this gentleman, Mr. Vinod, he has been great with his hospitality and with his beautiful property. So thank you so much to Hilton and you. And he's also a biker, so he's also going to join us. He's from Chennai, as you can see from the number plate. But we are here in Agra, so bike has to go with the biker wherever he goes. And talking about few riders, they have already come here. They're going to escort us to the venue. And I think it's going to be a very long day because अभी पहले आगरा की मीट है, फिर we have to ride till Lucknow, and then we also have to have a meet in Lucknow today. So but this is the excitement, when you do India ride, there's so many things going on. It's like sensory overload, पूरा टाइम कुछ ना कुछ करते ही रहना है. हमारे को ये नहीं समझ में आता, याद रहता संडे कब है, मंडे कब है, एक बार राइड स्टार्ट हो जाती है जब. But anyway, राइड डे है, that's the main thing. So let's go.
मैं आप सभी का वार्म वेलकम करता हूं.
So XBHP was formed in 2002, and the first issue of the print magazine, it came 10 years ago, 11 years ago. Because we are supported by you, we are not supported by any investor or any big company like other magazines. अगर आप में वो talent है photography का, आप हमारे connect कीजिए, आपने write करियो, we will print not only in the print magazine but online as well, and that might give you a boost to do further things and show to companies and get sponsorships for yourself, which is not a bad thing. If you are talented, I think you should be supported by not only clubs, other people, but also companies who can support you and make it bigger, right?
Absolutely.
All right, that is why we are here standing in front of you united.
अगर आप लोग नहीं होते तो जो बाइकिंग का कल्चर है पूरे इंडिया में, स्टार्टिंग हियर इन आगरा, वो नहीं बनता. तो उसके लिए जितने भी बाइकिंग क्लब्स हैं, I would like to take this opportunity to say a thank by giving this note of thanks to you.
the biker! Be the power! I the biker! Be the power! Great!